costume. Let's give them a round of applause.
Minsan natuwa ang may likha, 7,000 pulo ang ginawa.
Okay, our candidate number 1 is also known as Christine Hermosa.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I believe that destiny is not a matter of chance, but a matter of choice. It is not a thing to be waited for, but a thing to be achieved. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Maria Sophia Bernadette Alcantara, but tonight allow me to stand by the name of Miss Christine Hermosa, and I am from the legendary town of a thick virgin forest, which was virtually once in a paradise, and now being transformed with a beautiful progressive municipality. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I am from Bicol Region, Ginobatan Province of Albay. At bago ko pulisanin ang 4 na sulok ng entablado nito, may iiwanan akong tagline para sa inyo. Pader ka ba? Bakit? Pader ka ba?
Bakit?
Paihi. Thank you.
Okay, that was Christine Hermosa. That's Christine Hermosa from Gubat, Sorsogon.
Minsan natuwa ang may likha.
Candidate number 2, Miss Tia Bellania.
Mga hilyas na inilangan sa malaslang dagat.
Okay, candidate number 2, Miss RC Soliga.
Let's give a round of applause to our second candidate, Miss RC.
Caring is a special gift that no one can buy. It's made up of love, the roots in our heart. It's created beautiful memories, it's only a minute or a while. Because I always believe that caring is for a lifetime. A glorious evening to each and every one in between, all the way from the historical place of the pilgrimage city of Antipolo. My name is Chantel Bautista Gagliardi, but this night, make wave and make some noise dahil narito po sa inyong harapan na nag-iisang Bangs Garcia na nagsasabing ang pagiging bakla ay sadyang hindi masama sa mata ng Diyos o sa mata ng madla. Kung kami mismo mga bakla ay hindi gagawa ng sarili namin ikasasama. Maraming salamat po at let's vote number 28, Ladlad Party List. Thank you very much.
Okay, that's candidate number 2, Miss Bangs Garcia.
Candidate number 3, Miss Tia Bellania. a pleasant night to each and everyone, especially to the board of the judges. Well, ladies and gentlemen, my real name is R.C. Suniga, 18 years old, all the way from the Mecca Festival of the Philippines, Taytay Rizal. But for tonight, please do allow me to stand by Janine. Ako po, ang babaeng bumigkas ng mga linyang kutis artista, alagang silka. Sa inyo pong harapan, Miss Iya Villania. Na nag-iwan po ng mga katagang kung ang mga kababaihan ay ang tinaguri ang puso ng sa...
Gentlemen, happy fiesta to all you guys. Are you happy? I love you all. Anyway, this is candidate number 4. My name is Mariel Aliego and I stand by the name Miss Janine Tugonan. And my motto, I always believe that love is God. And I love you all and God bless you all and happy fiesta.
Okay, once again, let's give a round of applause to our candidate number 4, Miss Janine Tugonan.
Candidate number 5, Miss Ethel Buba.
Very summer ang look ni Miss Ethel Buba.
Magmula sa tahanan, lumabas ng tahanan, papuntang palengke. Narito sa inyong harapan, ang babaeng Miss...
Thank you, candidate number 6.
Okay, that's all. Welcome, candidate number 7, Miss Jessie Minjola.
My name is Christine Munoz, 19, all the way from Mandaluyong City. But tonight, please allow me to stand by the name, ang babae nagmula pa sa bakura ng ABS-CBN, at ang babae din po nagpatibok kay Mateo. So pinapanood nyo tuwing hapon, mga kaibigan, ako po si Binibining Jesse Minjola.
Ladies, in your stunning swimwear. Okay, once again, let's give them a round of applause.